So why does my bank account need to be low on the day I file bankruptcy? Short answer, if there's money in your account, the bankruptcy trustee can take it. Now the long answer takes a little explaining. When we file bankruptcy, we meet with the bankruptcy trustee 30 days after we file. At that meeting, he's going to look at your bank statements for the day we filed and the month before we filed. If there's money in the account, he may want to take that money. The bankruptcy trustee is not compensated well by the court. He gets paid $60 a case. $60 a case to review the 60-page petition, to meet with us, and to do a final accounting of the case. Now, if he finds assets, he gets to pay himself up to a 25% finder's fee. So the bankruptcy trustee looks for too much equity in your home, too much equity in your car, your huge tax refund because of all your children. He also looks at the bank account, and if there's money in there, he can demand it, and he can start looking for other assets to cobble together. Now, I have clients ask me, how much is too much? My rule of thumb is $300. It's not a good number, but it's the one that seems to work. If there's more than $300, the trustee definitely looks at it. If there's less than $300, he probably leaves it alone. I have clients ask, can I pull money out of the account the day before I file? The answer is no. The trustee's going to look at your bank statements. If you pull a big lump sum of cash out of your bank, you better have a pretty good story on what you spent it on, or else you will still have to turn that money over. Now, let's say you have $2,000 in your account because you're going to pay your rent 2 days later. You spent the money by the time we get to meet with the trustee. He's still going to demand the money. If you can't come up with it, he'll put you on a payment plan. If you don't meet that, he will eventually throw out your case, revoke your discharge, and you still owe the money and owe the bankruptcy trustee. So keep the account low, naturally spend it down. I like to file bankruptcies on Thursdays before payroll hits on Friday. That way our bank account's low. There's no money to tempt the trustee. Once we file, you can use the account like normal. Sometimes clients ask, well, can't I save money to cover my expenses after I file? No. If there's money in the account, he will take it. Now, if you have children under the age of 18 who have money in their own savings accounts, you have to spend that down too. They are under 18. Your name is on the account. That is your money, and he will take it. So on the day you file bankruptcy, you want the combined balances of all of your accounts to total no more than maybe $300. Good luck. Thanks.